Hey guys, this is nMap tutorial part 4, and today we will be learning how to save your nMap scan results in a file. This is very useful if you're running a lengthy scan which could take a lot of time. First of all, I'll be running a normal scan here, so let's just scan. Type in nMap -f and the IP address. So I'm using -f here and it is for a fast scan, so let's just hit enter. So here are the results. We haven't saved it yet, so let's save it. To save a scan result, type in nMap -f -o capital N and the IP address. So here a capital N is noted as a text file. We will be saving the results in a text file format, and now we have to provide a destination. So after ON, type in the destination, that is desktop. Name the file with results. Extension is .txt and hit enter. So here are the results, and here is the file that we have saved. Open it, double click on it. Okay, here we go. Now I'll be showing you a Verbose scan. A Verbose scan is nothing but a scan which is having updated result in real time, which means that while you're scanning, you will be receiving messages rather than a blank cursor, blank screen. So to do that, type in nMap -v and the IP address. So when you hit enter, so I'm using a metasploitable, so the scan results came quickly. So you can see here that in real time it is displaying your um, results when you're scanning already. So it is very helpful. This really helps you when you're scanning all the ports, which can take a hell of a time. Yep, so here it is. Thank you for watching. Have a safe hack.